For more videos, please do subscribe and click the bell icon.
Na 𝐼𝐴𝐺, na ᴛ બ્લાઉગે, na સામખી કરારી ચાય, લિબ્રોસેયુંં બ્લાઉગે. Hey guys, today we are learning na 𝐼𝐴𝐺 song. So yeah, the song's name is 𝐴𝐺. So we need a E major chord, then G sharp minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, A major and B major. So let's go for the verse. So the first verse, it starts from E major. Now 𝐼𝐴𝐺, the strumming will be down, down, up. Or you can do just like down, one down stroke. So it will be now 𝐼𝐴𝐺, down, up, then chord change, G sharp minor, now 𝐼𝐴𝐺, now C sharp minor, now ⴛ back to G sharp minor, બ્લાઉગે, now F sharp minor, now સામખી, B major, કરારી ચાય, લિબ્રોસેયુંં, A major, back to B major, બ્લાઉગે. Now for the chorus, we'll do E major, F sharp minor, A major and B major. So it will be 𝐴𝐵, F sharp minor, रात बाकी है, A major and B major, तुम गए हो क्यों, साथ बाकी है. Now you'll need F sharp minor, गए तुम गए, हम तुम गए, A major, हर बात बाकी है, तो गए क्यों, E major and A major, तो जिए क्यों. And same for the verse too. So now for the bridge, we're gonna play C sharp minor, A major, B and A. So it will be आँख भी थम गई ना थकी, C sharp minor and A, रात भी ना भटी ना कटी. Now you need a B major, रात भी, A major छेड़ती, फिर back to B major मारती, C sharp minor, नींद भी लुट गई, A major गई, again C sharp minor, रात भी ना सही ना रही, A major, now B major, रात भी लाज़मी जालमी, B A B. So now back to chorus. So guys, that's all. If this will help you, then please do subscribe and share.